Hey guys, today in this video, we're going to talk about how to fix your phone date is inaccurate, adjust your clock, and try again on WhatsApp. It's an error found on WhatsApp. So without much ado, let's get to the video. The first thing that you need to do is you have to open up your phone and go to the settings. And once when you're here, you have to go to general and software update and make sure that you're using the latest software. If not, please update your software. The next thing that you're going to do after that, after you update your phone software, then you're going to go back and then you're going to go to your home page and then you can open your WhatsApp. Well, let me find where WhatsApp is. Just give me a second. Here you go. So you have to open it and then you have to close it again. That means you have to restart your WhatsApp by opening it and then closing it and then opening it again. So I'm sure this will probably solve the problem. Even if it does not, then what you can do, you can go to your App Store. And once when you go to your App Store, you can type WhatsApp in the search bar. Let me just type it. And once when you type it, you can go down and see if your software needs an update or not. The WhatsApp software, even if it does not need any update, then what you can do, you can just delete your WhatsApp and click delete app. And once when you do it, you can then after deleting, install it again. So after you install it again, I'm sure your problem is going to be solved. So that was said. Thank you so much. I hope you found this video informative. I'll be back with some more videos. Thank you.